In this video, we show how to replace the network I/O board on a PowerEdge XR4510c sled. Before removing the network I/O board, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4510c service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the network I/O board, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, while pressing the two blue release tabs, rotate and lift the cover. To remove the network I/O board, first, disconnect the network I/O cable from the system board. Next, loosen the captive screw that secures the I/O board to the system board. Lift the I/O board up and slide it to the rear of the system to disengage it from the chassis. Disconnect the front I/O cable from the system board. To install the network I/O board, connect the front I/O cable to the connector on the system board. Align and insert the I/O board with the help of the guide pins on the chassis. Tighten the thumb screw on the I/O board to secure it to the system board. Then, connect the network I/O cable to the connector on the system board. To install the cover, align the cover with the T-nuts on the sled. Rotate and press down on the top cover until the cover locks into place. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.